If you want to track your advertising performance and manage leads more effectively, connecting Facebook ads with HubSpot is a powerful step for beginners. In this tutorial, you will learn exactly how to connect both platforms so you can sync ad data, capture leads automatically, and improve your marketing results. This integration helps you understand which ads are generating real leads and allows you to manage everything in one place without switching between platforms. First, log into your HubSpot account and go to the main dashboard. From the top menu, click on Settings. Inside Settings, navigate to Marketing and then select Ads. This is where you can connect your advertising accounts. Now click on Connect Account and choose Facebook ads from the list. You will be redirected to log into your Facebook account, so make sure you use the correct account that has access to your ad account. After logging in, Facebook will ask for permissions. Carefully review them and click Continue to allow HubSpot access. Once approved, select the ad account you want to connect and confirm your selection. Your Facebook ads account will now be successfully linked to HubSpot, and data such as impressions, clicks, and leads will begin syncing automatically. Next, enable lead syncing. If you are running lead generation campaigns on Facebook, HubSpot can automatically collect those leads for you. Go to the ad settings in HubSpot, find the leads section, and turn on syncing. This ensures that whenever someone submits a form on your Facebook ad, their details are instantly added to your HubSpot contacts list. Now you can track performance directly inside HubSpot. Go to the ads dashboard to view key metrics like clicks, cost, and conversions. You can also create reports to analyze which campaigns are performing best and which ones need improvement. This helps you make smarter decisions and optimize your ad strategy over time. In simple terms, connecting Facebook ads to HubSpot involves linking your account, granting permissions, enabling lead syncing, and monitoring performance. This setup helps you manage ads and leads efficiently while improving your overall marketing results. If you found this tutorial helpful, keep following for more simple and practical guides that help you grow faster using tools like HubSpot.